battery shit again?
No, I don't know why it shut off on me. What's up? This is Keith with the Window Cleaning Blueprint, and in this video I want to quickly talk about how to talk to customers on the phone so you sound like a professional and you can book jobs and the customer doesn't even question it. I'm talking about selling jobs directly over the phone, booked, ready to show up, ready to work. No going and quoting or anything like that, unless that's what you do. Let me know in the comments below. This is our community. Let's take advantage of it. So I just got off the phone with a customer. We're on a window cleaning job right now, and I'm going to run you through the process of what I do, and it really seems to be working for us, and I've got this thing dialed in now. So I've got two cell phones. Whether I'm on the phone with the customer and typing it in this phone, pulled over, not while driving, or Bluetooth headphones, you can do it. The way you answer the phone is you can find your own type of script, and it's more about communicating every single thing into the customer you possibly need to communicate, so they have an entire picture in their mind and an expectation that they feel like they're with a trustworthy, certified, credible, licensed, insured window cleaner who's going to show up and do a good job and all these things. But the feeling that they're getting is like, okay, this is a busy company, they're a good sized company, they've been in business for a long time, they have a lot of positive reviews, like they feel good about you coming into their home to clean their windows. So hi, this is Keith with Kelfus Window Cleaning in Shelby Township. How can I help you?
Hi, I would like to get a quote for my windows cleaned inside and out.
Awesome. Great to hear from you. If you don't mind me asking, what website did you learn about our services? We were looking on Google, or we found you on a referral. Awesome. Oh yeah, Mrs. Jones, she's awesome. Or, oh cool, how can I serve you? And then they say, okay, well, I need my windows cleaned, blah, 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 blah. No matter what they say, you say, okay, great. Actually, I can give you a very accurate price directly over the phone just by looking at your house on Google Maps or Zillow. They say, oh, that's cool. So say, 1 second. And then, what is your address, miss? Okay, it's 12345 Strawberry Lane. And then as you're taking down the information, you speak it. You go, 12345 Strawberry Lane. So they can kind of hear you, so it sounds like you're typing in something, because if you're not doing that and you're just quiet, they're going to be, hello, hello. Yeah, I'm typing in your information. You get what I'm saying? So you type it all and you pull it up and you look at it. Okay, and I ask some questions. I'm like, do you have cathedral ceilings in your front room where we'd have to bring a ladder in, high up windows? How many sliding door walls do you have? Do you have this? Do you have that? When I try to get them to count up the windows, no, how many I know I'm talking fast as fuck because we're on a job. I asked them, how many pieces of glass do you have? Not how many windows. It's like they usually get it wrong, and it takes long and it's work for the customer. So I've raised our $199 package up to $249, $259, $269, whatever it is, $299, and they're all biting. Nobody's saying no. I don't know why. It's great. I'm going to raise the prices even more. Let me know how this is working for you in the comments below. So I say, okay, that looks like our $269 package, and then I keep talking. I go, what we do is we come inside of the home, we clean all the windows inside and outside, we stack all the screens out on the front porch, clean all the screens thoroughly, wipe down all the frames, and then we wipe down all your window sills. Do you want to book it? They go, yeah, that sounds great. It sounds like you're doing this all the time, like that's the going rate, right? There's no hiccup in your voice. And then you take down all their information, and while you're taking it, okay, your full name again? Okay, Mrs. Strawberry Fields, 12345 Strawberry Lane, and your email address so I can send your quote, blah, 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 blah. Dude, I have hundreds, no, I'm sorry, I have thousands of email addresses, but when you're building your Rolodex, your data, your information Rolodex, it's so powerful for email marketing and your autoresponder system, so that here's Facebook, right? You can upload the emails into Facebook Ad Manager, put ads in front of your customers. Dude, this is exciting where we're at right now. You couldn't do shit like this 5 years ago. So basically, you book the job, and what I do is I pull up Google Calendar, say, okay, we're pulling up our calendar right now, and what I'll do is I'll start listing dates that we have available. And it's more important about what you don't say. Like, too much information. People are smart. If they're smart enough to be able to hire you to clean their windows, they can figure out quickly, and you can speed talk on the phone. Just like you can speed write, you can speed talk through it and say, okay, I'll start listing off dates and tell me when to stop. We have this Thursday between 1 and 2 p.m. Like the cable guy, if you say 1 p.m. and you're late, then you got to call him. You say between 1 and 2 p.m. Okay, we got next, this Friday morning actually between 8 and 9 a.m. They go, that's good. Okay, this Friday between 8 and 9 a.m. Okay, perfect. Okay, I'm Keith with Kelfus Window Cleaning in Shelby Township, Michigan. We have you, Mrs. Strawberry Fields, to come and clean your windows inside and out, plus screens clean and sills wiped down. We'll be there with a 1-man, 2-man, 3-man crew. It'll take approximately 2 hours. Please move any furniture, knickknacks, or precious items away from the windows and open up all blinds. We'll handle the rest. Right? You can ask customers to take care of their screens out, and I have a friend who does that. And I don't do it because I think that maybe I should start asking them. Hey, let me know in the comments below if you do that. And we'll give you a 30-minute heads-up call when we're on our way. Now, it used to be like, and if it rains, then we'd have to call you. But like, just assume it's not going to rain. People aren't stupid. If it's raining, they're going to start thinking, well, are they coming today? And then you deal with it then. Why would you waste time talking about it over the phone? Because your phone's still ringing and you got to get to the next damn customer, right? And then you can actually get excited about your business, and you know, it's awesome. All right, peace out. Hit the subscribe button, thumbs up. Check the links in the description below, and I hope you're crushing it, making tons of money in your window cleaning business, my friend. If you're new in the business, in the link in the description below, I have my 3 free video series on how to start a window cleaning business. It's all very detailed, and I also have books on Amazon and Audible.com, and that's really cool because it supports me and helps me get paid to make YouTube videos now. Oh shit! What a concept! You can make information products that help new startup guys and sell a book for 19 bucks, right? And tons of people have read my books. It has tons of positive reviews on Amazon, and it's just information that I'm talking to my younger self. If I could have had this when I first got started, and I was really frustrated. So it's really cool. Thank you very much. Peace.